Good day, everyone. Today we want to learn how to make that transparent text graphics design. So we are going to be using our PixellaB. So you move us over to our PixellaB. You will see something like this. You need to delete this new text written there. So you see this bin here, this delete icon up there below the plus sign. Click on it. Okay. So you go down, move down to the bottom of your screen. At the middle, you see this icon that is like a hexagon. So you tap it. You see import. Import is where you can choose the picture you want to use for the design. So if you click on import, you move to your gallery. So I want to choose the picture I want. So I choose this one. Okay. You set it to the desired position. Okay, so you go to the top. At the top right hand side, you see this rhombus. So you tap on it. This is where you can lock the image so it won't move again. So you click the padlock. Leave it like this. So the next thing you are going to do is see this plus sign up here at the top of your screen at the left. You tap it. You choose shapes. So shapes. I choose this shape. You expand it. Put it on one side. Okay. So you now work it again using this icon. So the next thing is write something. What you want. So I move to this A. This A here. This text. It is used to write something. This A. Write text. So I want to write happy birthday. Okay. So I choose the color I want for the writing. Let me choose black. So you go to the font, see font. This way you can choose the style used for the writing, the font. So I desire this one, I choose it. You go to size. You increase the size. So another important thing is to check the alignment, the settings. So you see align here. So I want the writing to be like this. I want the writing to be like this. So I put it like this. If I also want, I'll put it like this. But I want it like this. So I put it like this. Okay. So another thing is move to this. You see copy. This copy. You click on copy. When you click it, you have copied the text. Just only once. So you move to this icon, this relative position. You use it to bring this, the one you copied to the middle. Use it. This is how you do it. Tap this one up here, this one at the middle, the one at the middle top. Tap it, it will move. Then the one lower at the middle, tap it. So once you have tapped both of them, it will be shifted to the middle, exactly at the middle. Okay. So you copy again, that same one at the middle, you copy it. Also use this icon to put it at the middle. So it will not be two at the middle. Okay. No. Before then, let's delete. No. Let's delete it. Let it be only one at the middle. Let's be only one first for 4. Let's be only one at the middle. Okay. This is only one at the middle. So we go to background. Background. See, enable it. So we now choose the color we want for the background. Let's choose black for the. No, let's choose any color. This color. Okay, let's just choose this color for the background. Okay. After we have chosen it, this is now when we have to copy again. We copy it. Use this icon to put it at the middle. Both of them are now on top of each other. Okay, so you go over here to that icon at the top. So you look down here, you see good and you see the sign bad. So you click it, this icon below here. You see something like this. You choose these two at the top. You come down here, tap this one also. These two squares here, tap it. This icon below, you see. Are you sure you want to match the selected object? Okay. So you have matched them, both of them. Okay, the next thing is, once you have matched them, you also come to this icon here, this hexagon. Click on it. Then you see something like erase color. Erase color. Enable it. So you see this thing like microphone here at the right hand side of the one. So you click it. You see please pick a color. So you now move this smaller circle, put it up on top of one letter. Once you put it on top of one letter, the bigger circle will change to the color of that letter. Okay. The bigger circle will change to the color of the letter. Now click on this good here. It is erased. So this, you now have what you want. Can't you see it's simple? So we will now have to delete this one at the left. So we unlock it. We delete the right thing. We delete this. So you now have this, something like this. You now have something like this. Okay. This is now what we want. So put it here. We have gotten what we want. So you can see it's very simple. You can shift it to any side. Can you see that? Okay. So another thing is to you write the name of the person you are presenting this to. Write his name, text. Maybe his name is John Jacob. John Jacobs. Okay. Okay. You now choose the font. Choose the font for that one. A different font. So maybe I'll have to choose this one. We love the both of them. So we are done with it. This is just for the learning process. You can do more interesting and beautiful ones than this. But I used it to teach you how to make that transparent text. So can you see that? It's very simple. So you now click this icon up there. You see save the gallery. I saved what you have made to the gallery. Thank you.